Have you ever been frustrated trying to copy text in Git Bash only to have it automatically terminate your process? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to solve the issue of enabling quick edit mode in Git Bash on Windows 10. I totally understand how annoying it can be when you just want to select some text and instead your terminal interprets it as a command to terminate. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Many users face this issue, especially when transitioning from the Windows command line. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. A user recently asked, "How do I enable quick edit mode in Git Bash on Windows 10?" They mentioned that when they select text with a left click, it automatically triggers a command that terminates their process. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So what exactly is quick edit mode? It's a feature that allows you to easily select and copy text in the terminal without executing commands accidentally. Understanding how to enable this feature can save you a lot of headaches. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will enhance your Git Bash experience even further. To enable quick edit mode in Git Bash on Windows 10, the user should first locate the Git Bash window. Once it's open, they need to right-click on the title bar at the top of the window. Next, from the context menu that appears, the user should select the option labeled Options. This will open a new settings window. In the Options window, the user should look for the Mouse section. Here, they will find a checkbox for Quick Edit Mode. The user needs to check this box to enable the feature. After enabling Quick Edit Mode, the user should click OK to save the changes. This will allow them to select text with the mouse without interrupting the terminal process. Finally, the user can test the new setting by selecting text in the Git Bash window. They should be able to copy text without any issues. Fun fact, did you know that the first command line interface was created in the 1960s? It's amazing how far we've come, but sometimes the basics can still trip us up. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests that you're using a terminal designed for Cygwin, not the Windows console. In Unix terminals, text is automatically copied to the clipboard when you select it, so you don't need to press Ctrl-C. The user notes that they can't verify this solution directly, but it is likely to resolve your issue. Now, let's see a response from a different user. An alternative solution suggests that you can simply select or highlight the text in Git Bash, and it will automatically be copied to your clipboard. To paste the copied text, you can use the right mouse button to click and select Paste, or you can press Shift and Insert on your keyboard. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution suggests that Quick Edit Mode was available in Git Wit1x, but you're using Git 2.x. Instead of Quick Edit, you can use Ctrl plus Shift plus C to copy text. You can also use your mouse to select text for copying. Additionally, starting from Windows 10, you can use Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V for copy and paste operations. Here's a bonus tip. If you want to copy text after enabling Quick Edit Mode, simply select the text and press the right mouse button to paste it. This makes working in Git Bash much smoother. And there you have it. Quick Edit Mode is now enabled in your Git Bash, making text selection a breeze. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more Git Bash tricks.